Welcome back. My name is Brian and this is the Fab Automotive Detailing channel. Today's video is the Griot's Garage microfiber and foam pad cleaner. We're going to show you how to clean your microfiber towels, your foam pads. I thought this was a great time to make a video because I just got done with the Corvette detail. This is what I used to do the Corvette detail, and I see a lot of people commenting on a lot of different YouTube pages or channels, I guess I should say, about how do you clean microfiber towels. I figured this was a great time to make a video. Let's do it. So the directions are, and I'm just going to kind of go over them really quick. Always wash microfiber cloths separately from other fabrics. Machine washing, add 2 to 4 ounces per 5 gallon, which is a small size load. Along with liquid laundry detergent, use hot water setting. Do not use fabric softeners, dryer sheets, or bleach. Spot treat heavily soiled areas, tumble dry on low heat setting or air dry. To clean foam pads, wet the pad with warm water, spray cleaner directly onto the pad. Use your fingers to build a lather, rinse the with warm water, wring residue from pad until clean. Stand pad on its side to air dry. Now, Griot's Garage's newer pads, these are machine washable. You can wash these. So what I do is I clean them in the sink first, and then I put them in the washing machine to kind of get rid of the rest of it. So before I turn the camera on, I sprayed the cleaner onto these pads right here just so I can do a video to show you guys how I do it. And I always let them pre-soak for, I don't know, 5 minutes or so with the microfiber foam pad cleaner. And then I made sure my water was already warm. I do use warm water, not hot, but warm water. Get it a little bit wet and then kind of just rub your fingers in it. And if you have to, even after pre-soaking it, come back in here, spray some on. I mean, this is exactly how I do it every single time. Of course, the worst part about detailing a car is this right here, the cleanup. Run it through the water, and I don't know if you guys can see that or not, but you see all the white coming off. That's the polish being released from the foam pad. Ashlyn, hang on, I'm making a video. And that one's pretty much done. Now what I do is I like to squeeze it, and I still see a little bit of white coming out. So I will spray this on. What do you need? Okay. And then just do it again. It's pretty simple. And then once you're done with all your pads, if you have the new style of Griot's pad with the hook and loop on the back, like I said, they're machine washable, so we'll go over the machine when I get done doing this. Okay, so you use warm water when you do it. I turn our cold water valve almost completely off and leave the warm water on. And then you're going to want to start filling it up. And this might be a little noisy for the video, I'm not sure. And I'm probably going to do a medium load. 2 to 4 ounces for a small load. I kind of guessed, to be honest with you. I just kind of pour it in. That's probably plenty. And then what I use for detergent, wool wash, it is a clear detergent with no fabric softeners in it, because you really don't want to use a blue detergent or like Tide or anything like that. You just want a clear, fragrance-free. And once again, I kind of guess at that too. And then I take each individual towel out and I inspect them, like this one. It's got stuff all over it. I'm gonna put the microfiber foam pad cleaner in it, kind of like you would laundry when you shout it or whatever. Everything looks good. If you see a towel that has grease or anything like that on it, don't put it in there. And also another thing I forgot to mention is when you open the laundry, make sure there's not a sock or something left over, or just a regular old bath towel left over. You do not want to mix them. And when you do paint correction, you're going to go through a lot of towels. There's a little bit of black right there. I know it's kind of anal, it'll probably come out anyways. That's just me, you don't have to do that. I'm going to turn the cold water up a little bit more, give me a little bit more water pressure. This one, my last towel, is a drying towel, and you're gonna have spots on your drying towel, especially if you have a white towel like this. Inevitably, you get spots on it. And then after I get my towels in, I hope I'm not screaming into the microphone too. I'm gonna put these in on top. Even though I've already cleaned them, if I missed anything, it'll get the rest out. And that's pretty much it. When this is done, we'll go on to drying. The washing machine is done, so now I'm gonna go in and take all my pads out because I'm not going to put these in the dryer. Get all of my pads out. Yeah, they look a little funny when you take them out, but once they dry, they'll be fine. The reason you don't want to put these in the dryer is this hook and loop on the back. If it gets really, really hot, the glue inside there starts coming off, and then your Velcro actually starts peeling up. So I always just set these out in my garage like this to let them dry. And then make sure you have nothing inside the dryer, no socks, nothing with cotton or anything like that. You do not want to mix it with these. It'll ruin your microfibers. And my wife always says I never do laundry.
Hey now.
I don't know if you guys heard that or not. She always gives me a hard time, and then I tell her, I do laundry. Almost every weekend, from spring to fall, I do laundry. I even fold it.
Not all the time.
Quiet down in there. Almost done. That's it. There's nothing else in there. Now on drying, you do not want a very hot setting. What you want, I'm putting mine on damp dry, which is just a low heat, because too much heat will actually make the microfiber start to melt and curl in. They won't be effective at all after that if you do that. So we're going to turn it on. It's about a 30-minute dry time, and then when we get done, we'll finish this video up. And it's that simple. All my towels are done. All you have to remember is hot water, cool dry time, or low heat setting on your dryer. A clear liquid detergent, no fabric softener, no dryer sheets, nothing like that. And never wash your microfibers or dry your microfibers with anything with cotton in them or bath towels or anything like that. They need to be in their separate load when you do any type of laundry. And this is about normal for a car detail. Now the bigger details on like trucks, I've actually had to come home and wash towels, get them dry, and then go back so I could finish the job basically. And I've had to do that with my pads as well, my correction pads. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did like this video, give us a big thumbs up. While you're down there, hit that subscribe button and that little bell right there next to it, and we will see you next time.